I want to do a rapid fire section with you on 2021 trends in technology. So strap yourself in, get ready, put your seatbelt on. I'm going to throw out a couple terms here and give us some real quick thoughts on these different trends in 2021. You ready?
Ready.
All right. Drones.
Drones, wow. Fast growing technology. Matter of fact, they've taken the drone technology and now they've United just announced a partnership for these air taxis, which are effectively a souped up helicopter/drone solution. Again, I think we're going to continue to see the advent of the drone world, and it's going to become a part of our everyday.
AI engineering.
Yeah, look, artificial intelligence engineering from an application perspective, having the network be able to think for you. It's the Terminator, right? Once the network comes online, and it's scary if it's not managed properly, right? But when we think about AI engineering, we think there's a lot of advantages that it can bring to not only us internally, but to our customers to help automate some of the thought processes there. And so we're big on the AI engineering side.
The as a service revolution.
Yeah, I think it's like ice cream, right? Everybody wants ice cream. And so everybody wants an as a service. They want to just be able to log in and go, not have to think about how to use it. They want great user interfaces, and they want it brought as a service. They don't want to have to think about management and maintaining. The thing to think about when it's an as a service is the security component, right? Security plays such a big role, but everybody loves as a service. It's like ice cream. You got to have it.
Yep. And one final one: video calls versus in-person calls.
Look, we've had a lot of internal debate about that, Joe. Video calls are here to stay, but big thing is in-person is fantastic. That's how you build a relationship long term. So huge proponent of in-person meetings, but video here to stay.
Well, thank you for taking the time today. I hope everybody got to know us a little bit better here, specifically Ernest Cunningham, and we wish everybody good health and a good 2021. Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks, Joe. Have a great day.